To create your own projects using the online constructor Alaska 3D, you need to be able to change the file extension. To do this, you need to create a text file, write the code, and change the file extension to the required one. Let's consider the example of a.model file. Go to the File Properties and select the Extension Name option. Modify the file extension to .model and save the changes. To perform the same action on Windows, access the file management application named My Computer. Navigate to the folder where your file is located and click on the View option to proceed. Within the drop-down window, opt for Show and File Name extensions. Make a selection of the file for which you desire to change the extension. Left-click on it, then right-click and make a selection of Rename. Change file extension to desired, then click Yes in pop-up window. At the beginning of working with the constructor, we recommend familiarizing yourself with ready-made published models. In order to accomplish this, you will need to navigate to the constructor, locate and click on one of the topics, and then choose the desired model from the drop-down list. Here you can download files used in this model. If you want to upload your project, select all files of your project, drag them into the corresponding window, and click the Start button. After opening the computer model that is ready for use, several tabs will automatically open. The computer model, represented by the model file, and a tab for each additional file, as well as a tab with a graph if the model includes a graph,